Welcome back. Priya Miss is here. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. From today onwards, we will start study of our new textbook of PBL subject, which is Volume 2. In the last evaluation, we have learned about the water. Now, we will know about travel in evaluation 3. Travel means journey, to go from one place to another, as by car, train, plane or ship. Take a trip. My dear children, though we are going to discuss about travel, nowadays in this pandemic, we should avoid traveling. It could be dangerous for our health. Our first topic name is riding my bike. Objective is to know local places of travel. Let's know the meanings of the new words. First one is B-I-K-E, bike, means a bicycle or motorcycle. मराठीमध्ये याला दुचाकी असे म्हणतात. सेकंड वर्ड इज R-I-D-E, ride, means sit on and control the movement. मराठीमध्ये याला चालवणे असे म्हणतात. थर्ड वन इज P-U-F-F, puff, means make larger or inflate. हिंदी में इसे हवा भरना या हवा से फुलाना कहते हैं. पफ म्हणजे फुगवणे किंवा हवा भरणे. फोर्थ वन इज P-H-E-W, few. Few used when you are tired. जैसे कि जब हम थक जाते हैं तब उफ कहते हैं. फिफ्थ वन इज G-R-O-C-E-R-Y, grocery, means items of food sold in a store. किराने का सामान या किराना. सिक्स्थ वन इज P-L-E-A-D, plead, means appeal or request. Seventh one is D-I-N-G-A-L-I-N-G, डिंगलिंग. इट इज़ द रिंगिंग साउंड ऑफ अ बेल. यह साइकिल की घंटी की आवाज़ है. चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी हैव अ पोम टू रीड एंड रिलेट टू द व्हीकल दैट यू यूज़ द मोस्ट. We all learn cycling in childhood. Some of you kids must have learned to ride a bicycle. This poem is about enjoyment of a bicycle ride. If you have already learned cycling, then all the memories will be refreshed by hearing it. Let's read the poem. Riding my bike. Riding my bike, riding my bike. Wheels go round and round. Hey! Riding my bike, riding my bike. Wheels go round and round. Round and round, round and round. Hardly make any sound. Round and round, round and round. Hardly make any sound. Riding my bike, riding my bike. Someone's in my way. Hey! Riding my bike, riding my bike. Someone's in my way. Riding my bike, riding my bike. Now my tire is flat. Oh no! Riding my bike, riding my bike. Now my tire is flat. Oh, puff it up, puff, 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 puff it up, puff, puff, puff. Oh, puff it up, puff, puff, puff. That should be enough. Riding my bike. Now my legs are tired. Phew. Riding my bike. Now my legs are tired. I'm slowing down. I have been riding all round the town. I'm slowing down. I have been riding all round the town. Oh, ring my bell, ding-a-ling. Ring my bell, ding-a-ling. Oh, ring my bell, ding-a-ling, 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 ding. Children, remember the day when you first learned to ride a bike. One of your family members may have taught you cycling. I would like to share my experience. My father was holding the seat to make sure I would not fall. He assured me that I was not going to fall because he would be running right behind, holding the bicycle. The same thing must have happened with you. When we learn the bicycle, we experience many new things about it. Wheels go round and round. Sometimes the tire get punctured. Someone suddenly come front of us. We fall many times while learning bicycle. But we don't cry. We still get up and ride the bicycle again because we enjoy cycling a lot. You love to ring the bell whenever you see people near your bicycle. After learning cycle, we visit many places like market, friend's home, garden, if mother said to get something from the shop, etc. Too much cycling causes leg pain and we get tired. In this poem, the girl is doing the same thing. She had been riding all around the town, so she got tired and she had slowed down. For her, the funniest thing is playing the bell ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, ding. You can see here happiness in this picture. In this second picture, the funniest thing is to pump air into the bicycle. She is enjoying it. Learning bicycle is the most memorable in the lives of all children. Let's read to find out where we travel. The heading is given places nearby. Places nearby. Rohan was about to leave from his house for the park on his scooty. Suddenly, he heard a voice from behind. Wait, please take me with you. It was his cousin Ria's voice. I have to purchase some stationery from the market and mom has also given me a grocery list. Ria pleaded. Rohan was happy to take Ria to the nearby market. Both of them went on Rohan's scooty. Ria purchased everything she had to buy from the market. After dropping her home, Rohan went to the park to play with his friends. Children, look at this picture. Rohan and Ria. They are on a scooty. Let's remember the places where they had gone. First, Rohan wanted to go to the park. Ria requested him to take her to the market as their mother told them to get grocery. So, they went to the market. After purchasing the grocery, food items, Rohan dropped her home. Then he went to the park to play with his friends. Have you noticed this picture? Both of them are wearing helmets, which is very important. You should remember your parents to wear helmet. It is for our safety. Whenever you go along with your parents on a bike, sit carefully by holding them. Children, we have seen that we can do our work fast if we use vehicle. All of us travel to different places for different purposes. Purpose means reasons. We go for buying books, vegetables, clothes, grocery. We go to the market to buy things which we require at home. We go to the park or garden for enjoyment. We go to the hospital to get well soon. These are some examples of places where we go. Some places we go often. Often means many times. We go to the medical shop, bakery. We go to temple or mosque, bank, to relatives' home, etc. Children, I hope you all have understood this topic and local places of travel. Whenever you visit, do not forget to use mask and sanitizer. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.